berbakti pada rajanya.
Come on, man.
Wasn't we just? We was on the corner. Fuck's going on, my nigga? I could've sworn we was in the middle of a storm. Looked up and then we was gone. Wasn't you? Because the bitches love it. Yeah. Or you gon' keep on burning this and you get discovered. Man, I'm tired of this shit. It's like they don't get the picture until they can take a picture of it. Yeah. So I'm working like a slave. They gave me a stage, so I'ma act out. Niggas still finding his way. I got it mapped out. All they gonna say is he went in the booth and blacked out. Whether for a few or a packed house, what you want rap about?
You wanna rap about cars? Wanna rap about money? Huh? What you wanna rap about? You wanna give niggas bars? Wanna rap about honeys? Huh? What you wanna rap about? You wanna rap about shows? Wanna rap about dough? Wanna rap about hoes? Wanna rap about flows? It don't matter cause around here anything goes. Let me know.
Shit, I came into the game when I was young, didn't know much. Gotta go kamikaze just to blow up. Telling me I gotta sell my soul just to sell these raps. To be the reason that the deal fell flat. Forget it, I ain't fucking with you rappers. Developing sentimental attachment. Give them hell if they asking what you wanna rap about. I got records I'm stashing. Plan to launch off, haven't sent to the masses. You stuck in a box and I'm just sticking around. A quarterback in the sense they tried to get me.
Naik lagi bu. Saya tanjak banget nih. Sekarang udah ada kayak gininya. Zaman dulu belum ada. Kamu puncak. Ya.
Wanna rap about dough, wanna rap about flows. It don't matter cause around here anything goes. Let me know, spit up.
Ain't too many people in rap real. Known to climb mountains with the verses, this cat skills. You ain't shit unless you talking your last meal. Popping this Advil, is anybody speaking the facts still? Can't fathom this tandem tag team and can't handle it. The candle is lit, irrational shit, irrationalist. Act like a prick. Now tell me, is there anything you might wanna add to the list? You can't come with as much passion as this. Better off getting drunk or walk crashing your whip. I'm hungry, eat a rapper. You don't pass me a dish, pass the clip. Only question that I'm asking is this: what you really wanna rap about?
Mana aja betul.
Last call, I'm just trying to make my last shot or pass to the team. You
Mana motor di
Sekarang udah stupa. Itu sih bos lagi foto-foto. Anak-anak stupa. Borobudur ini dikelilingin gunung ya. Nah, lihat pemandangan di belakang.
But don't call me please, I mean lose my number. Yeah, girl, all three. And shit, I met your friends and them titties nice, but not for me. In this alphabet it go ABC and then you get the shit, I won't rap forever, but I'm gon' rap my dick. Everybody fuck with me, I've been on my god shit. I should probably play for the Cavs. If you Curry with the shot, I'll Kyrie into that ass. I got like 3 phones now, 3 phones. I only talk to myself, so you can talk to them. Is that you in the back? No, I can't hear what you're saying. I just made 2 racks rapping to a room full of people. You was 2 out of 10.
Ya.
Ini lagi dari anak-anak muter-muter. Di atas. Lah.
Wake up in the morning and we rewind.
bitches if I wanna let you press decline. All up on my dick, I tell them bitches keep climbing. Never mind them ladies, baby, you just keep grinding. Pussy so sweet, said that pussy so sweet. My banana switcher when I'm going so deep. Baby, let me lick it, put my tongue so deep. Baby, let me lick it like a strawberry swisher. Then that pussy so sweet, make that pussy go sleep.
Sound so sweet. 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 Sweet.
Dalam stupa ini ada apa? Sinar ya.
What a load of clip in the silencer. When I hit you, it's Kamehameha. Cause girl, like I rise for you. Name another brother flies me in my age bracket. I can tour at any given time, girl, I stay back. 2 or 3 bitches on my side, that's a great habit. Trendsetter, by the time I hit shit, I'm way past it. Baby girl, you're spicy. And shit from Narland. Yeah, I know you like me. Why you keep stalling? Sugar, honey, iced tea. Your pussy keep calling. Making me like pocket aces, so I put it all in. She falling. The coldest spitter, I belong in the 90s and shit. Went from top rhyming to the top without rhyming about change and drops. Now I'm in the spot getting commas and shit. So keep the comments to yourself,
Di
ain't right?
belakang
Sound so sweet. Sound so sweet. Sound so sweet. Sound so
itu
sweet.
fotografer.
Sound so sweet. 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 Sweet.
Been ready. Sydney B, motherfucker, what? Live and direct from the underground. Beat that I get a mobbing in the street. Making my rounds on all MCs. Surrender now, I'm face to feet. Giving a fuck about the rules, just never fit my whole persona. See me in traffic swerving, I swear I hate being solo. Rolling up one for all the roadies. Been with me since Nickelodeon. We used to sip on 40, charm the whip and dodge the pony. Now I'm known in the city. Wanna believe the love they show me. Feeling like your majesty could give up. Fuck about your rollie. Always been on my grind. A hunger for more, not equal, never less so. Learn to embrace the pressure like rubber band. How I stretch you. Go flow, I temper. Never censored, I like it raw. Fucking the game, never pull out. And that shit get wet every time I call. Message to y'all, get on my dick. Give me my props before we go off. Every verse is like a pussy. I ain't going to song. Fuck these industry MCs, cause all I'm seeing is talk. The irony is that I became the boss. Want me to talk about the real life. Real life. Real life. Holy fuck you saw. We going hard in the real life. Real life. Real life. Fuck you putting me on, getting my own in the real life. Real life. Real life. Holy fuck you saw. This shit is hard in the real life. Real life, motherfucker. I never gave up. Fuck, not even the tip of my urethra. Inhale the reefer. Hop in the booth, exhale that ether. Now who the achiever? Ain't smoking Reggie, well me neither. Brought a sip of the finest bubonic and I'ma get fitted until the police come. Friends will gas you up till you crash. If you the best in your city, your whole city is trash. It ain't a match, I still dominate these lames handicap. My 9 to 5, eat all my time, but I'm still popping toe tags. 100 verses couldn't hold me down. 100 critics with 100 opinions. If I can't hear it, does it make a sound? 100 lines of that Pablo, that's extra dope. $100 bill for your nose, numbing your throat. Bitch, I'm never stressing. Gotta learn how to fall to fly. Find the answer with the question. A king becomes a god and a man into a legend. Unfolding before your eyes. My story, non-fiction, no gimmicks, motherfucker. This is the real life. Real life. Real life. Holy fuck you saw. We going hard in the real life. Real life. Real life. Fuck you putting me on, getting my own in the real life. Real life. Real life. Holy fuck you saw. This shit is hard in the real life. Real life, motherfucker, right?
Sore ini capek banget. Makasih ya udah nonton. Gua tunggu kedatangannya di Pulau Budaya, warisan nenek moyang kita dari Indonesia.